In addition, it's worth pointing out the requirements for the space where the equipment is being installed. As you can see, we have multiple systems sitting inside. In addition, we're engaging the forklift to move all the containers with the powder. So the recommended space requirements are 5.6 meters by 4.2 meters. And in terms of height, we recommend having at least 3.3 meters. Ideally, you will have 3.5 meters in terms of height, because as you can see at the top, we have the powder feeding mechanism, and in order to service it, you will need some extra space for the operator. So in this particular case, we have 3.3 meters in terms of height, but in general, we recommend 3.5 meters. So in terms of indoor air requirements, we recommend a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the water chiller is using distilled water, and we need to make sure that water does not get frozen, and the manufacturer recommends 24 degrees Celsius for the operating temperature inside the facility. Humidity must be between 40 to 60%. In order not to damage the metal powder that we're using. Indoor air conditioning is recommended. Dehumidifying station is recommended as well. And also we recommend engaging a ventilation system in order to remove the dust that may be released when we are using the metal powder. In addition, the ventilation systems allows to remove some of the residues of nitrogen that get released into the air. This is what we recommend for safety. The bearing capacity of the floor must be 700 kilograms per meter squared. This is particularly important for the machine. In addition, it's worth pointing out the requirements in terms of power. Here we're engaging a power supply of 380 volt. In addition to this, for all the supplementary equipment that we're using, it's recommended to have at least 4 220 volt standard power sockets. In addition to this, we're engaging nitrogen in this particular facility because we're printing with stainless steel. This helps us to remove the oxygen from the build chamber, and having at least 3 bottles of nitrogen gas with a purity of 99.999% or above is required. Please make sure that it's 99.999%, not 99.9. This is insufficient. And have at least 3 gallons available, or engage a nitrogen generator.